We were so helpful the first day, but then I think it was so helpful.
So great. That's how it used to be. Wanda used to be here all the time. Good morning, Harrison. Hi. It's kind of fun that you're on virtual today. And then, but yes, is that Hallie? Hi, Hallie. Good morning. Oh, y'all are so sweet. We get Harrison and his sister today. And here comes Catherine. Good morning, Catherine. And let's see, Finn's coming soon. All right. Okay, we're gonna give Isley a little bit of time to get here and Aya a little time to get here, and then we'll go ahead and start class. We have, I don't know if y'all remember on our calendar, but today's Wanda Day. So we've got Wanda in the classroom, and Adeline brought us a book called Louise and the Class Pet. And look what their class pet is. A guinea pig. It looks like Wanda. So we'll read this in morning meeting today. Let's give the kids just another minute to log on. Vina, what were you wanting to say? Let me see. All right. Okay, everybody, we'll go ahead and start, and the kids who aren't here can catch up with us when they get here. Let's go over the schedule today. Let's see what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna check off coloring and drop off because we are here. Now we're gonna do morning meeting, so we'll go over the schedule, we'll read a book, we'll say hi to Wanda, we'll do some calendar time. Then we're gonna write in our journals. We'll do some math. We'll have a break for snack and recess. We'll have music with Miss Burks. Then we'll do some foundation. And then social studies. We're still learning about communities. Oh, and in social studies, I want to show you all of the donations we have for Caritas. We have so many. It's so great. And then we'll do story time and pack up and go home. So that's our schedule today. Okay, before we do calendar, I will show you Wanda. And then we'll read our Wanda book, our Louise and the Class Pet book. Okay, well, let me get Wanda out and show y'all at home. And I know the kids in the classroom, y'all have already said hello to Wanda, right? Okay, here she is. Hi, Hallie. Hi, Harrison. Hi, Catherine.
Hi, Wanda.
Hi, Aya. She's saying hi to everybody. Okay, and Aya, you are just in time for our book that Adeline's letting us borrow. It's a book about a guinea pig. Okay, so.
Help, it's Wanda.
Yes.
Wanda's so Wanda.
There she is. Okay, so I'm going to put Wanda up, and then we'll read our book for morning meeting. She says, bye, everybody. Bye.
Hi, Wanda.
Yes. Charles, is your hand raised? Oh, Islet, Charles wants to say something to you. Okay, Charles, you might need to speak up a little bit loud. What do you want to say to Aya?
My dad is reading your dad's book, and he loves it.
Oh, Aya, did you hear Charles? Charles said that his dad is reading the book that your dad wrote, and he really likes it so far. So you'll have to tell your dad. Okay, that's cool. I like that. All right, let's go ahead and read some books. Hold on one second. I'm trying to get my view right. There we go.
Yeah, because I heard he was saying something about my dad and his dad.
Yes, that's right. Okay, let's all get nice and quiet so we can hear. So this book is called Louise and the Class Pet. And it's a guinea pig, just like our class pet.
I think Wanda's gonna pet it.
Yes. This is going to be the best weekend ever. I have a friend staying over. This friend is super sweet. This friend is super cute. This friend is warm and cuddly and furry. It's our class pet, a guinea pig. Finally, it's my turn to take care of him for the weekend. So this class pet, this guinea pig is a boy, and she's taking care of him for the weekend. His name is Pigcasso, like the artist Picasso, but they did Pigcasso because he's a guinea pig. That's cute. So you must love art, right, Pigcasso? This is my room. See, I love art too. I think you need some art for your cage. Maybe a Pigcasso portrait. Look, she's drawing pictures of him. She's making a portrait of the guinea pig. Oh, what is it, Pigcasso? Are you hungry? Squeak, squeak. Oh, poor Pigcasso. Are you thirsty? Squeak, squeak, squeak. So she's checking to make sure he has enough food. She's checking to make sure he has enough water. Pigcasso, what's the matter? Are you okay? What did you scare Pigcasso? Or maybe she's thinking the cat scared him. Don't worry, Pigcasso. I won't let the cat hurt you. Here, Art. You hold Pigcasso while I make his cage cozy. Oh, so she's letting her little brother hold him while she cleans the bedding in his cage. Makes it all nice and clean and cozy, just like Wanda's. Uh-oh. The little brother accidentally dropped Pigcasso the guinea pig. Oh no. And now he's loose and he's running away. Pigcasso! Pigcasso, where did he go? Come out, Pigcasso. Here, boy. There he is. No, over there. Do y'all see him? He's hiding. He's really scared. He's scared of the cat. Oh my goodness. Poor Pigcasso. Art, this is no time to play. We need to find Pigcasso. But look, he did find her. Or find him. Oh, wow. You found him. Nice job, Art. There you go, Pigcasso. That's better, isn't it? Oh, now he's all nice and cozy in his cage. Oh, and look, the cat is still on top of the cage. Oh my goodness. So if you have any pets at home, like cats and dogs, and you're taking care of Wanda, you probably want to keep them in a separate room so we don't scare Wanda. Harrison, did you have a question or something you wanted to say?
Oh yeah, I have to work on that because I have a cat
but
in my
hold on,
house.
Naya.
And he's
Harrison.
black.
Yes, but Harrison raised his hand. Okay, Harrison, what did you want to say?
There was not a top on the cage.
Yeah, there wasn't a top on Pigcasso's cage. So it was kind of, that's probably what scared him a little bit because his cage doesn't have a top, right? Luckily, Wanda's cage has a top, so that's okay. So she won't be as scared. All right, Adeline, I loved reading this book about a class pet guinea pig. That was great. I'm gonna clean it a little bit and then I'll give it back to you in a while. Okay, 1 second, y'all. I'm having a little computer trouble and then we'll start. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's see. We've gone over the schedule. We've read a book. Next on the schedule for morning meeting is calendar time. Let's go over and do some calendar here. All right. Ooh, I think you're right, Ford. All right, here is my calendar. It's not October anymore. Do y'all remember what month it is?
November.
Yes, November with the N. November. What does it end with? What letter? An R. And then what sound does it end with? November. Ends with an sound. And the year is still the same, 2020, 2020. Okay, let's figure out the date. Yesterday was November 11th. What comes after 11? What number? You think 12? Okay, let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Y'all were right. And our pattern is an AABB. So brown, brown, orange, orange, brown, brown, orange, orange, brown, brown, orange, orange. So here's my brown number 12. So the numbers in number 12 are a 1 and a 2. And we also have Wanda visiting today. So I'll put those both back right in here. And then let's figure out the day of the week. So we point to the date and we go up, 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 up. Now the day of the week starts with a TH. And when a TH are together, they make a th sound like Wheeler says, Thursday. So I'm gonna move my arrow. Yesterday was Wednesday with the W. I'm gonna move it down to Thursday with the TH. There we go. Okay, let's do Vina's pattern. Vina's our calendar helper this week. First, we'll do the pattern by shape. Here we go. Star, square, circle, triangle, hexagon, rectangle. And then we start over. Star, square, circle. What comes after circle? The triangle. All right, let's do the pattern by color. Remember, this is teal, and this is blue. Okay, are we ready? Green, teal, pink, orange, blue, green. And then we start over. Green, blue, or teal, pink. What comes after pink? What color? Orange would be next. All right. Anybody want to do the pattern by anything else before we keep going? Okay, now they want to do it by number. We're ready.
Can we do by letter next?
Okay, we'll do number and then letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now by letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D would be next. Okay, let's do our day of school. I think we are having a little bit of an exciting day of school on our hundreds chart because we are halfway filled a row. Look at this. We've filled the first row. We've filled the second row. We've filled the third row. We've filled the fourth and the fifth row. Now we're working on filling our sixth row. Now yesterday was 54. Look, we're in the fives row now. So y'all think it's 55? Okay, let's count from 51. You do? Okay, let's count from here just to make sure. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Y'all are right. What two numbers are in 55? A 5 and a 5, and they're not black. They're blue, aren't they? Oh, good morning, Isley. Hi, sweetie. Because it's in the fives row. All the numbers in the fives row and all the numbers in the tens row are blue. So let's practice counting by fives because we filled a number in the fives row. So counting by fives is saying only the blue numbers. The numbers in the fives row and the numbers in the tens row. Okay, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Nice. Okay, so we've filled up 5 squares in this row, and we still have 5 left to fill up.
And we have 4 rows, but we did put a number up.
All right, let's do some checking off on my schedule. Let's see what's next. Let's see here. We are checked off morning meeting. There we go. Next on the schedule starts with a J, journal. Next on the schedule is journals. So get those journals out. We have a fun journal to do today. We've got a fun one today. Okay, let's see. I see Ford's getting his journal, and Charles and Catherine. Wonderful, and Adeline. Venus got her journal. All right, Wheeler, you get your journal out, sweetie. So kids at home. Oh, good. Isley's got her journal. And Harrison, I know that your journal's at school. You could just use a piece of paper if you want. Any piece of paper is fine, okay? Because I know your journal's at school. Perfect. You're already ready with a piece of paper. You awesome. I love it. Okay, and I'm going to put my document camera on so you can see really, really well. Ooh, let's figure out what we're doing in our journal today. Okay, Colin, you got your journal out? And a pencil. Everybody has journals and a pencil.
I'm not doing that. Miss Vanderandi, look what I did, even before you did it.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. You already have the date. I know. Thank you for being patient. I'm working on my camera here. Okay, so Colin, I'll be right there to help you sharpen your pencil. Let me write the date first so everybody can start their writing. Okay. No, I'll do it in 1 second. Thank you for asking. All right, we figured out that the date is November. Instead of writing the whole big long word of November, you could just write its nickname, N-O-V. And then we figured out that it is November 12th today. And a 12 is a 1 and a 2. And the year 2020. All right, I'm going to sharpen Colin's pencil and then I'll be right back to keep writing.
Little comma. Hiya. Yes, Isley. Was there a little comma in the middle of
Yes, I'll be right there, Isley.
of the? Okay, there was a comma.
Yes, I'll be right there.
A little comma in the what? A little comma in between the 1 and the 2 and the.
Now I'm back, Isley.
0.
Yes, so there's a little comma right there in between the date and the year. We haven't really learned about commas yet, though, so it's okay if you don't.
Well, Miss Vanderandi, guess what?
You don't do it. Yes, I am.
It's actually November. Since there's 3 2s here.
Oh, yeah? Okay. All right, let's figure out what our journal is today, what we're going to write. It's a fun one. Okay, so a sentence always starts with a capital letter, right? So we're going to do a capital M. Try to do it in the lines as best you can. And then we're going to do a lowercase y. That means we go down to the word line. And M-Y spells my. Then we are going to do a space. We need to do a little space about the size of your finger. So sometimes we can call it a finger space because we're starting a new word. We're going to do a lowercase f, a lowercase a, and a lowercase v. So that is another abbreviation for a really long word, favorite. My favorite. Guess what? I'm going to keep writing the rest of the long word. I think you all are ready to keep on writing longer words. So, lowercase o, lowercase r, lowercase I, lowercase t, and lowercase e. So it says, my favorite Oh, what are we going to write about? Our favorite what? So I kind of ran out of room on this line. See, I don't have a lot of space left on this line. So I'm going to come down and start at the beginning of the next line here. Okay, my favorite movie. So that's a lowercase m, lowercase o, lowercase v. Looks good so far, Isley? Lowercase I and lowercase e. So far we've written my favorite movie. Now I'm starting a new word, so I need to do a little space about the size of your finger. Or we could call it a finger space. My favorite movie is I, I, I. What letter makes an I? I, scrunchy nose, I. That's an I, good job. So we'll do a lowercase I. My favorite movie is, what letter makes this sound? Yes, an S, good. So we wrote, my favorite movie is, so I want you in your journals to write what your favorite movie is, and then you could draw something that happened in the movie. You could draw the character in the movie that you like. You could draw yourself watching the movie. You could do anything you want for the illustration. So for our journals, we write my favorite movie is, and then write what your favorite movie is. I'll come around and help you if you're in the classroom. And then draw what your favorite movie is. So Aya, raise your hand if you need anything. Harrison, good job raising your hand. What do you need?
I don't know what my favorite movie is because I don't really like a bunch. So.
Oh, did you say you don't know what your favorite movie is because you don't like them? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You could do your favorite TV show if you don't have a favorite movie. You could just write a show. What was that? That works? Okay. And then Aya, good job raising your hand. What did you want to say?
I know what my favorite movie is. It's Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast. I love that movie too. So good. Isley, do you want to tell us what your favorite movie is?
My Little Pony.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. I haven't seen the movie, but I bet it's really good.
I've seen a lot of movies about that.
Cool. So Aya, do you need help spelling Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah.
Okay, Aya, I'm gonna write it. Let's see.
My favorite movie is Minions.
Minions? Ooh, Catherine. Ford says he likes that one too, and that is a great
I don't know what
illustration.
Minions is.
Good illustration,
I don't
Catherine.
know what Minions is. But Minions is not my favorite movie.
Okay, so Aya, this is how you spell. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Let me start over. Forget the U. This is how you spell
Beauty. I was gonna say, do you see
the Beast? All right, Aya, so that's how you spell Beauty and the Beast right there, all right? You can quietly raise your hand if you need anything, Colin. Vina, what are you raising your hand? What do you need? Okay. Oh, okay. You can pick a non-scary movie, or you could do a favorite TV show if you want. Yes, Colin, good job raising your hand.
my favorite movie?
Oh, all right, I'll help you spell that. All right, if anybody needs help writing their favorite movie, what's your favorite movie? Oh, I love that one. Grinch, that would be a fun one to draw also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have one? Are you ready? Your favorite movie?
Yeah. And what?
You're still thinking? Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, the one part you would make a lot of and I like
All right, your favorite movie is Toy Story.
Miss Vanderendy.
It's racing. I'll be right there, Isley. TV show. Yeah, what's your favorite TV show?
Mom? I have Donald Duck too. Me too.
All right, Isley. What did you need, sweetie? Did you have a question, Isley?
I'm not sure. I can start over my illustration.
Go ahead and raise your hand.
How I did my little pony illustration.
Do you want me to help you spell My Little Pony?
No, I just need to tell you that I want to start over my
Okay, you can.
on
You
a
can.
new page.
That's totally fine, Isley.
Right.
Not a problem.
Miss Vander Andy.
Okay, let's see. And then I see Finn's hand up too. My favorite movie is Beauty and the Beast. What wonderful writing, Aya. Wonderful. And let's see, Finn's here. My favorite movie is Frozen. Yes, I love that movie
Frozen?
too, Finn. Very good.
I love that one.
Oh, so does Aya. I know, that is such a good one. Okay, thank you for sharing, y'all.
Yeah.
And then Charles, great job raising your hand. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, that one's a good one too.
What about, and you know what movie I also like?
What else for?
I also like.
Yeah, that one's good too. Okay. Good writing. Let me get a picture of these journals. You did such great writing
I
today.
also like 101 Dalmatians.
Oh yeah, that one's a great one too.
I have a lesson. Stand there and be look.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me see, Aya. All right.
I drew myself watching the movie and then I drew the movie.
Oh, very good. There's Beauty and Beast on
It's
TV,
the
and
part-
there's you watching it.
It's the part where they dance together.
Nice.
I'm just getting vlog, not upon I'm not vlogging.
So good for it. All right, Adeline wants to show you her journal real fast, kids at home. It says, oh, that's right, my document camera's on. Let me put it up here, Adeline. So Adeline wrote the date, November 12, 2020, and she wrote, my favorite movie is The Little Mermaid. Oh, so good, Adeline. I like that movie too.
And remember they don't take me on and get out of here. Remember the little thing that on your head that with the cookie nail thing? Remember the one you did nail the car?
All right, let's see it.
And remember the thing on the boy's head? Yeah, that's on his level. You know I'm trying. I haven't watched the movie, but I heard very bad. Yeah, I know. But the ending is good.
Okay.
Once you look in the pool, and then he shows the
All right, we're gonna spend a couple more minutes writing in our journals, and then we're gonna start math.
Already done.
Cool, if you're already done, you can hang out, have a little break for a couple minutes before we start math.
Can you show them my baby?
Sure, I'll be right there. Sure, I will help you in 1 second, Elliot. All right, Ford wanted to show you his journal at home. He wrote the date at the top, and then he wrote, my favorite movie is The Grinch, and look at that Grinch illustration. I love it. So good, Ford. Nice writing.
I grew the ingredients in the Miss Brandy.
Yes, 1 second, Ivy.
Miss Vanderwendy.
That's what?
I said Miss Vanderwendy. Maybe she.
Yes, Isley, did you have a question?
I need help riding My Little Pony.
Okay, let me write it for you. So, Isley, I'm going to write it. I think the most of us are almost done, and then I'll call on you, Harrison. So, Isley, this is what you write. My favorite movie is, yeah, if you go to your desk, I'll be right there. My Little Pony. There you go, Isley. Okay, and then Harrison, did you have your hand up? Did you want to share your journal with us or tell us something?
I want to share my. Can I see the My Little Pony?
It's right here. Okay, let's see what Harrison said. Oh, I'm having trouble kind of seeing what you wrote. It's a little bit hard to see the pencil. My favorite movie is, can you tell me what your favorite movie is? Oh, there we go. Is, oh, I can't read it. Ah, starts with a B, is.
Bluey.
Oh, I don't know that movie.
No, it's
Bluey? Oh, Ford says that he's seen it. It's a,
show.
oh, that's right. You told me that you're not a fan of movies, but you like TV shows, and it's Bluey. Okay, I don't know that TV show, but Ford in the classroom is saying they've definitely seen it, though, so that's cool. Oh, Hallie, what a pretty drawing of a unicorn.
That's
Beautiful.
this is her writing. This is her writing.
All right. Very nice. Let's see, Harrison. Awesome writing.
That's Hallie.
Oh, that's Hallie's. Oh my gosh, my favorite movie. And she did My Little Pony, and then she drew the unicorn. I love it, Hallie. I love how you're doing kindergarten with us today. We're very excited to have you. Okay, we are going to spend 1 more minute on journals. Yes, Vina.
In the afternoon.
Spanish.
Okay, and Vina wants to show you her journal at home. Vina says, oh, she did TV show too. My favorite TV show is Dino Chicks. Oh, yeah. Very good.
All right, Ford, you want to put that down and go to the bathroom? Oh, she's in a zoo. Or maybe just a cave. Wonderful training. Which one you keep looking to? When you're done, I'll get you done.
Little pony. No.
I'm all done, Candy. Oh, I'll be right there, Elliot. I got the wand that's sitting there. Watch this one. I'm ready to go pee. Okay, make sure you wash your hands really well.
Anytime.
Watch this one.
Where is my candy? I guess I'll go.
All right, everybody, let's go ahead. I'm going to change my camera here. Let's do some checking off on our schedule. All right, let's check off journals. Y'all did a fantastic job in journals. I loved hearing about what everybody's favorite movies and TV shows are. Oh, Finn, do you have your hand raised? What do you want to say, Finn?
Have you seen Frozen 2?
I have seen Frozen 2. Yes, I didn't see it until pretty recently. It had already been out for a long time, but I loved it. I loved Frozen #1 and Frozen #2. Do you have a favorite character, Finn? A favorite character in Frozen?
Elsa.
Oh, Elsa. Yes, I like Elsa too. Ford is raising his hand. I think he wants to tell us his favorite character. Oh, Ford says his favorite character is Olaf because he's super funny all the time. What about you, Isley?
Mine.
Oh, I didn't hear you, sweetie. What'd you say?
Olaf.
Oh, Olaf. Okay. All right, let's
So
check
funny.
off journals. Wonderful writing in journals today. Next on the schedule starts with a math. So let's get those math books out. And Harrison, I know you don't have your math book at home, sweetie. You can just listen and follow along. You can help me do mine, okay? All right, let's get those math books out, and we're gonna turn. We literally right there.
Miss Vanderandy.
Yes,
I
Isley.
want to see my journal.
Oh, beautiful illustration of the My Little Pony and great writing. Wonderful. You and Hallie did the same thing in your journals today. All right, so we're going to do our dark orange math books.
I got mine out.
And, oh, yay, Colin, you already have yours out. And we're going to turn to page 95. It's a 9 and a 5. Thanks, Elliot. I'll be right there to get those. Page 95. Okay, let me set this up, and we're
What
going
about
to...
page 94?
We do not have the blocks to do page 94, but I'm going to send home. I'll explain to your parents next week. We're going to do something just like page 94 next week. Okay, you're going to use little cutout shapes to do it. All right, we're going to need a pencil, and we're going to need to go to page 95. So we need page 95 and a pencil. I'm going to help the kids in the classroom get to page 95, and then we'll get started.
Circle.
All right, you can raise your hand if you need anything.
Okay, I cannot do this.
All right, just helping the kids in the classroom find the right page, and then I'll be right back and we'll get started.
Miss Vanderandy. Miss Vanderandy.
Okay, I'm back. Yes, Isley.
I can't find my mom.
I've got it. I just was in the bathroom.
My mom is in the bathroom.
Here you go.
Okay, so just wait patiently, okay? And I bet somebody will be right out to help you. Okay, and it looks like we're gonna need a pencil for page 95, and we're doing patterns. We do patterns every day, right? On calendar time, we do patterns. Let's do some patterns here. So the directions say the name of the shapes, then circle the shape that comes next. Okay, well, here's all of our shapes in our pattern so far. We're gonna do the pattern by shape. But look, it's just like the shapes that we use in calendar, right? Let's see, first they did a triangle, and then they did a square. What shape came after the square? Then they did a rectangle. Oh my. Okay, then they did another triangle comes next. And then after triangle comes another square. After the square comes another rectangle. And now we need to figure out what comes next. Let's see, we've got triangle, square, rectangle. Triangle, square, rectangle. Yeah, after the rectangle comes the triangle. That would be another triangle. Triangle, square, rectangle. Triangle, square, rectangle. Triangle, square, rectangle, right? So we need to finish the pattern for them. Next comes the triangle. Another triangle.
And we do pound every day.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what their next pattern is. Let's see. Ooh, this pattern, it looks like square, triangle, triangle. Square, triangle, triangle. What would come next? Square, right? Square, triangle, triangle. Square, triangle, triangle. Square, triangle, triangle. So the square comes next. We're going to circle that square.
I'm already done.
Okay, I'll check your work in just a second, Charles. Nice job, Elliot. Okay, yes, Wheeler, good job raising your hand.
I can't find it.
Miss Vanderandy.
What are we gonna do with this?
Miss Vanderandy.
I guess I am.
Look at me.
Quietly raise your hand.
Look.
Nice. Okay, let's do the rest. Let's do the third pattern here. Ooh, this is a
I
tricky
did
one.
all of it.
Okay, you can check your work and follow along and make sure you did it the right way. Let's see, we've got hexagons now. So now we have hexagon, hexagon, triangle. Hexagon, hexagon, triangle. Hexagon, hexagons next because we have two hexagons. So hexagon, hexagon, triangle. Hexagon, hexagon, triangle. Hexagon, hexagon. So make sure you circle that hexagon. All right, Elliot, did you circle that hexagon right here? Right here.
Vanderandy.
Yes, Isley. Good job.
My body has reactions sometimes.
Charles, I can't hear
Like it
Isley.
makes me like do stuff which people make me do stuff and I do not want to do it. So can I please skip this today?
We just have one last one to circle and then you're ready for your break, Isley. Just one more circling and then you're ready for your break. Okay, let's look at this pattern here. We've got square, hexagon, triangle. Square, hexagon, triangle. Square, hexagon comes next. So we're going to circle that hexagon. That would come next in the pattern. Let's say it one more time to make sure we're right. Good circling, Elliot. Square, hexagon, triangle. Square, hexagon, triangle. Square, hexagon. Very good. Nice job with those patterns today, everybody. And Isley, you're all done. You can have your break now, sweetie. Okay, so let's do some checking off on our schedule here.
Bye. Bye, buddy boy.
I already knows.
The next big two.
Okay, let's see here.
Whoa, you didn't know that she fell. Oh, whoa.
I need to get a new mouse. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and check off math. Y'all did a great job with those patterns today. We're gonna check off math, and let's see what is next on our schedule. Next on our schedule is snack and recess. So we're gonna have a little break for snack and recess. And when we get back from snack and recess, we're gonna be in Miss Burks's music Zoom.
Bye.
So we can go ahead and we can end out of this Zoom, because when we come back from our break and we see each other again, we're gonna log into Miss Burks's Zoom.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, Isley.
I'll
see you after the break.
That's a really good
Bye.
song, My Little Pony.
Bye, 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 bye.
All right, I'll see you after the break, everybody.